In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create, customize, and embed a Trustpilot Reviews feed like this on your WordPress website with no coding needed. To create our Trustpilot Reviews feed, we'll be using the Smashballoon Reviews Feed Pro plugin. You can purchase and download it from smashballoon.com and install it on your WordPress site. To save time, I've already got it installed and set up. You can see it over here. We can hover over Reviews Feed and click on All Feeds. Here at the top, let's click on Add New. And to create our Trustpilot Reviews feed, we first have to click Add Source. Here you can see all the sources supported by the plugin. You can display reviews from Google, Facebook, TripAdvisor, Yelp, Trustpilot, and WordPress.org. Since we're displaying Trustpilot reviews, we can select it and click Next. Now we can enter the URL for the Trustpilot page we want to fetch the reviews from. I've already got one ready, and that's this one here. For MyFitnessPal. This is a fitness app, and it has over 7,000 reviews, which you can see here. Let's go and copy the URL for this page, head back into the plugin, and we can paste that here. Once that's done, just click on Finish. You can see our source now available inside the plugin, and it's already selected for us. So we can click Next. For the final step of creating our feed, all we have to do is select the template for the layout of the feed. We have options like the default, simple cards, masonry, carousel, and more. For this video, let's go with the carousel and click Next. And instantly we have a live preview of our brand new reviews feed right here inside the plugin. It's featuring the latest reviews from the Trustpilot page that we added as a source, which is MyFitnessPal. Each review features the profile picture if it's available, account name, when the review is published, the star rating that was provided, and of course the review content. On the top right corner of each review, you can also see a Trustpilot icon, indicating that the review's from Trustpilot. And because we chose the carousel layout, you can easily swipe through the feed like this to check out even more reviews. Our feed is now ready to be embedded on our WordPress webpage, but before I show you how to do that, let me show you how we can customize this feed. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, click on Layout. Here we can customize the layout of your reviews feed. Currently, we have the carousel layout selected, which I just showed you. Alternatively, you can go with the list layout. This one displays your reviews in a single column list. Third is the masonry layout, which displays your reviews in rows and columns. Let's continue with the carousel, and if we look further, you can choose the number of reviews you want to display inside the feed. At the moment, we've got up to 9 reviews, but if you want to modify that, just type in the number of reviews you want to display. For example, let's go with 6, and our feed will automatically update to only display 6 reviews. So we have 3 on this page, and 3 more on the second page as well. Let me change that back to 9. Next, you can also choose how many columns and rows you want inside the feed. We currently have 3 columns, but to modify it, just type in the number of columns you want to display. For example, let's say we go with 2 columns. The feed will automatically update to display that. But for now, I'm going to keep it on 3. Underneath that, you can also modify the number of rows. So just open this up, and you can choose from 1 or 2 rows. And this is what 2 rows would look like. Okay, I'm going to keep it on 1. And if we scroll down further, you have some additional customization options here for the carousel. The ones I want to show you are these here. So you can choose whether you want to display these elements inside the feed. So starting with the navigation arrows on the left and right hand sides. If you want to hide that, all you have to do is deselect it like this, and they'll be hidden from your feed. And you can do the same thing with the pagination dots at the bottom, these ones here. Just deselect them, and they'll be removed from your feed. If you want your feed to automatically cycle through the reviews and pages, just click on autoplay over here and enable it, and your feed will automatically cycle through like this. But for now, I'm going to reverse that and turn off autoplay and enable the pagination dots and navigation arrows. You can go ahead and customize your feed to suit your exact needs, and once you're happy with that, just click on Save on the top right corner. With Trustpilot, as you can see, some users don't have profile pictures, whereas on other platforms, by default, users will have a profile picture available. So with this feed, we can go ahead and hide the profile picture as well. To do that, let's go into the Customize tab once again and click on Reviews. Next, we can go into Edit Individual Elements. Here you'll find all the different elements we see inside each review on the feed, such as the author and date, rating, review paragraph, and images or videos if they're available. Each of these elements can be hidden or displayed depending on what you want to do. For example, if you want to hide the review rating, just deselect it, and that will be hidden from your review. And to bring it back, you can just select it once again, and that will bring it back inside the review. But you'll notice that it showed up at the bottom of the review. This just shows you that you can customize how you can stack the different elements inside the review too. So right now the star rating is at the bottom, but to move it back to the top, all you have to do is click and drag it to where you want to position it. Let's place it right here, under the author and date. And straight away, it's back in the original place like before. So it's totally up to you how you want to customize it. But for now, what I want to do is remove the author profile picture. So we can go into author and date. Here you can see the author name, author image, and date. You can also customize the colors too. So here we can go ahead and deselect the author image, and that will now be hidden from the reviews. After making that change, we can just click on Save on the top right corner. If you're looking for options to moderate the reviews you display inside the feed, the plugin offers options for that too. Just go to the Settings tab and click on Moderation. And if we enable moderation mode, you can choose the exact reviews you want to display inside your feed. On the right-hand side, you can see a list of reviews that are currently available. And there's two ways to use this, with the Allow list and the Block list. With the Allow list, all your reviews will be hidden by default, apart from the ones you manually choose to display like this. Alternatively, with the Block list, all your reviews will be shown by default, apart from the ones you manually choose to hide. With this menu, you can choose the exact reviews you want to display inside your feed and hide the ones that you don't want to show your site visitors. And if you make any changes, just click on Save and Exit. But for now, I've got one more thing to show you. So let's disable this, head back, and we can click on Filters. In this menu, you can add filters for the reviews inside your feed. At the top, you can filter them based on the star rating. So currently inside our feed, we can see that we have reviews containing multiple different star ratings, 3, 4, and 5-star reviews. But let's say if you only wanted to display 5-star reviews, you can add a filter here by selecting this option, and our reviews feed will only display 5-star reviews. Let's check that out. As you can see, we only have 5-star reviews, and we no longer have 3 or 4-star ones displayed inside this feed. And if we scroll down further, you'll find two boxes here. If you enter a word inside the first box, your reviews feed will only show reviews containing those words. Inversely, if you enter something into the second box, your feed will hide any reviews containing those words. And lastly, at the bottom, you can also filter reviews based on their character count, with a minimum and a maximum. You can enter a higher minimum and maximum, but let's say if you wanted to display short, bite-sized reviews, like the one in the middle, you can set a lower minimum and maximum as well. It's totally up to you. So with these filtering and moderation options, you have complete control over the reviews you display inside your feed. If you make any changes, just click Save on the top right corner. And now that I've shown you how to create, customize, and moderate your feed, let me show you how we can embed it on our WordPress webpage. Click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode here, and click on Add to a page. Select the page you want to embed your feed to, and click on Add. And here we are in our WordPress webpage. To embed our reviews feed, all we have to do is add a shortcode block, this one here, and paste the shortcode that we copied earlier, like so. After that, just click on Save, and we can go check out what it looks like on the live website. Here we are on a live WordPress webpage with our brand new reviews feed that we just created together, featuring the latest reviews from the Trustpilot page, which we added as a source. Inside the review, you can see the author name at the top, when the review was published, the star rating, so we've got a 5-star review here, and the review content underneath. And with the carousel layout, you can swipe through like this and interact with your feed to check out even more reviews without leaving your site. At the top of the feed, inside the header, you can see the average star rating, total number of reviews, and on the right-hand side, a Write a Review button. If I go ahead and click on that, it will instantly take us to the Trustpilot page, which we added as a source. In this case, MyFitnessPal. This helps connect your site visitors with your Trustpilot page, helping you get more reviews directly from your WordPress website. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to create, customize, and embed a Trustpilot reviews feed like this on your WordPress website. It only took a few minutes, and we didn't need any coding to do this. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. If you had any issues, please contact our awesome support team, and they'd be happy to help you out. Please consider subscribing to our channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.